What is the ratio between value-added and non-value-added actions we make while we create a product? It's a 50-50, 40-60 or 30-70. You can pause this video and try to answer this question, or you can check the answer at the end of this video. In this video, I will show you the Maufino factory, the Tier 2 Toyota supplier, and how much value and non-value actions or waste it makes in one welding operation. First, we have to know what is the difference between value and non-value added actions. Shige Shinga said, "We add in value when we modify a product. Everything else is non-value added actions or waste. In the Toyota production system, it calls muda." Let's look at the Tier 2 Toyota supplier welding production process and count value added and non-value added actions. This is the U-cell of the welding worker. The operation is to weld the 4 small parts to the base. And now I play this video in half of the speed and count value added and non-value added actions. Now, let's take a look at the numbers. The number of non-value added action is 29. The number of value added action is only 4, or only 40%. It is also important to look at the time. Non-value added action takes 23 seconds. The value added action takes only 8 seconds, or 35%. And now it's time for the retrospective. The number of non-value added action is way much more than the number of value added actions. The time we spend on non-value added action is much longer than the time we spend on value added actions. To increase efficiency, we should focus on and eliminate the non-value added action first.